Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started with this morning news report right now. Thousands gather for concerts and fireworks at Chaos and Kindness Sky Show. Thousands of people gathered Saturday at Arms Park in Manchester for concerts, food, and fireworks in the Chaos and Kindness Sky Show. Organizers said the fireworks show was the largest in New Hampshire history. Bands performed starting in the afternoon until the 9:15 p.m. firework show. The event was free, but organizers encouraged people to donate school supplies for districts returning to school. And that does it for this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I'm Riley King, reporting for the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching this morning news report. Have a great day, everyone, and goodbye.